Wagwan. So today I got a level here from DOVOH. It's a professional level, and we're gonna review this level, and we're gonna take it on our job site and work it live in person, so that way you guys can see how this thing works. I would recommend all homeowners should have a laser level home for multiple purposes. You could use a laser level for so many different things. In this video, I'll demonstrate a few different things that you can use your laser level for. Yeah, so we're gonna try this level out and see if it's worth your money. I'll also leave a link later on in the description that you can go and purchase this laser level with a discount for you from your boy Ryan from 1KV Construction. Let's open this up for the first time, see what's inside the box, and afterwards we're gonna dive right into how to use it. Wow, it came in a really nice pack. I like that already. Nice and sealed. Carry bag. Open up. Wow, so this is what came in the pack. First, let's start with our laser here. Beautiful laser, I must say. And this is a 360 laser level. It came with 2 batteries. Side by side. It came with a charger. It also came with a USB connector to connect the charger with a C port charger connector that could go into your. It also came with a USB adapter. Push this bad boy in and plug it right into your battery charger. What else we have here? We have a user manual. It's better to read these just if you don't know how to use these laser level, but I know how to use them. But here you have two different languages, I believe. This is a target plate, so this is where you would probably hook up on the wall to get wherever you want. Like if you want a target right in the center of your target plate. This would be like just a leveling plate, so if you want to maybe put it on the floor, you want to bring it up like this to kind of level it up, you know what I mean? It's pretty easy. So you put it flat down on your surface and then you can just level him up. How nice is that? What else we have here? Still have some more stuff. Wow, so this is a remote control. Wow, so this is a remote control. How fancy is this laser level? Wow, wonder what I'm gonna rate it at the end of this video. Keep watching. What else we have in here? Oh, this is fancy. So this here is a tripod, multi-tripod that you can mount, you see? Wow, honestly, so far I kind of like it. It's a little bit different. So you can mount it on here. This is basically to tighten it up. And then you would put your tripod, you would connect your tripod in here, or you can even connect your tripod in this section here. So this would be like a tripod holder. We're gonna test it out later on and you'll see how it works. So let me just quickly demonstrate how you use this guy here. So you would screw your laser level right into the slot. Make sure she's nice and tight and sturdy. Once you have it where you want, you just tighten it up. This here is to go up and down. So you release it, see, you can go up, down. Once you have it to the level, to the desired level point where you want it, then you just tighten this up. She stayed right in place. Now, this is where you would mount it onto your tripod. So you'd have it here mount onto your tripod, and this way you can go up and down easy. See? Up, down, easy. Honestly, so far, I like this thing. I like this thing. It's a professional laser level, and it's a 360, so that's a plus. So yeah, wait at the end of the video to get my honest rating on it, if it's a 10 from 1 to 10. Well, let's start up this bad boy here and see how well it works in the daytime. So that's one of my main issues with laser level. It's not as bright in the daytime. So to insert the battery, you want to push this little clip down. Whoops, you hear that? Whoops. And then we're going to insert our battery. Ideally, you want to remove the plastic from it first. So I remove my plastic. Now we're going to place our battery straight into this guy here. You can't go wrong, because if you look, you have a square section, and if you look in here, it's square. So you just push it to the shape of the battery right down. And if you look down at the bottom here, you have some connector. Down here don't have none, so you know to push this section with the connector down here, down into the slot. Oops. All right, so now we have a battery in here. We're gonna put this bad boy down here and pour it on for the first time. Beautiful, how beautiful is that? Okay, so you see, this surface is level. You notice it's not beeping anymore. If you tilt it like this, you're gonna hear the beep. So that's simple telling you that it's the surface that your hand is not level. Oopsie. Okay, so the way we use this bad boy here, right now we're on, so vertical. You see? Yeah. So this would be the vertical button. Horizontal. So you see we have 4 lines, because it's a 360, so you can get a level line, horizontal, vertical, all at the same time. So this would be perfect for if you're doing tiling and you want to catch the center mark to where you're going to put your shower head or your valves line up perfectly. This one here is to zoom. This one here is to dim the light. So if it's too bright or you want it more duller, so this one is to gauge it to make it either brighter or dull. So you can also remove all the lights by hitting vertical, and then that will remove the vertical. Pressing it again, gonna bring it up back. If you want to remove the horizontal and only have the vertical, just like you see we have here now, then you just tap onto the horizontal. Now we only have the vertical line. Tap one time, it come again. So you see we have vertical going that way. Tap again, we have another vertical line. So you can have 2 vertical lines, vice versa, as like a cross here. But if you only want to have one, press it again. It's gonna remove them. Press it, you're only gonna have one. Press it, you're gonna have one. The other direction, press it again, and you're gonna have both. So you can just play around with it, but so far this thing is working perfect. I like it, and I like the fact that it's beeping. Now I'm gonna put it to use right now and show you guys how this thing works. So here I'm adding a new wall here for a shower remodel that I'm doing upstairs. Or we don't have a vent, so we need to add a vent to the shower. In order to, I'm gonna demonstrate to you how to use the laser by my first mark that I need here to start my wall that's gonna go up. So in order to get this mark, we're gonna measure from this point, which should be here, 36.5. So what I'm gonna do here, I'm gonna measure 36.5 from this point, 6.5, and we're gonna go 36.5 down by the lower point down here. Now what I'm gonna do here now, I'm gonna set up my laser right here, so this way I can have my bottom plate and my top plate with the laser. It's super convenient to have a laser for, especially when you're doing framing. All right, let's put it to use. What I'm doing here, I'm lining up my laser right onto the mark that I have. I have a mark at the bottom, and I also have a mark at the top there. Now, if you to put it on the line, or if the floor is not level, you would hear a beep in the laser, and that way you know that your laser is not level. Now the good thing about this is that you can line up the top and also line up the bottom. Now I want a square just to make sure that this is square, so I'm gonna get a square just so that way we can test this to make sure that it's square, because we might want to come back over like this with our wall. So I'm gonna go get a square so that way we can try to see if it's square. So as you see, it's telling me that I need to go back this way a little bit. So we need to bring the laser that way, right to the edge of the square, and also line it up top there in order to get our wall square. So in order to do that, we just need to shift our laser over this way. Beautiful. So now the laser is right to the edge of the square, and it's also right on our line. This way we know that we're nice and square. Now I can get my bottom plate, my top plate, and I know exactly where my wall gonna start. How easy is that? If you didn't have this laser, how hard would it be? Huh? So if you look close up, you can see I have my mark right there. I have another mark right there. All the laser line is right up on my mark, just like we want to have it. So our wall gonna be from here, which is 4.5. Our wood gonna be 3.5 in the middle, 1/2 inch for drywall here, 1/2 inch for drywall there. That's gonna be our wall. Honestly, my honest take on this laser, I would give this a 10 out of 10. Reason for that, it's a blue laser light, meaning the blue is more visible, especially in the daytime. Having a blue laser light is more versatile in my opinion. You can use it in many different occasions. So you can use it inside, outside. This thing here is a 360. It also have this system here that you can easily move up and down with the tripod stand. That in my opinion is very useful, because sometimes you would have to pull all the 3 plugs on the tripod to go up and down to get the level, which you could easily turn this knob here and it can carry you up and down. Make this laser level a perfect 10 for me. So I'll rate this laser level at 10 out of 10. And that's just my honest opinion. If you're a homeowner watching this video, I strongly recommend you to go and get a laser level. You could use these for many different occasions. You can use them, hang a picture frame. You could use this to, you could use this thing for picture frame, towel hanger, you name it. So it's very useful to have one of these in your home. Your boy Ryan gonna leave a link down in the description there with a 10% discount. Go over there and order one. Tell them your boy Ryan sent you. Thank you for watching. Hope you get value from this video. If you do get value from this video, go ahead and give your boy Ryan a thumbs up and subscribe for more upcoming video like this one. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.